Resort here at the famous Willy's Rock. The grotto. The struggle. Bye. Trying this famous Boracay.
Bakit kayo nakita? Ilang may gusto?
Para po matry po dun sa north.
Tawan?
Opo. Nang hindi na maglaland to. Para libot po yung buong island. Thank you, Ate Josie.
Thank you.
So galing mag-grade. Thank you po. For today's buffet.
Dinner po from my Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bumili pa?
Ayun na.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Yeah. Woo. little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take.
It's my number. Okay, let's get inside. Kalats as usual. The room, so spacious, so lucky ng bed. Okay, drying rack, TV, small fridge, and a small mirror. Boosh. The view. I love the view. Ano ni? Mana?
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now what I ever.
Hello, baby. Hey. Little cutie. Hello. Okay. So I'm just alone here sa beach since sila po ay natutulog. I'm just gonna take pictures and swim. Morning, guys. It's currently 8:56 a.m. and today is Tuesday. Today is our last full day here in the island. Kasi bukas super aga ng flight natin. So ayan, pag-vlog tayo na nakaganito all the time para ma-ROI natin yung braids na super mahal. So magsiswimming na din ako. Tada! This is my outfit. Update, I'm so tatang na po. Saying bye to my mamahalin na braids. Masyado na. Lipat bahay again. Yeah, she didn't buy me one, so ayan. Finally, I can have one.
too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
Hi, birds.
One-way ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high
Strolling around Puka Beach.
when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Yun ka, tapos may sticker. Yeah.
Huwag mong sirain. Huwag mo sisira, tigpapakaray ko ano. Binabasa siya.
Ano ba sa'yo?
Babang extra.
Living on the bed that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night. Feel a mile high, feel a mile high.
Antayin nyo na magsansitive.
201 and 202. Yeah, so this is our room at Oasis. Hi! So nice. So magsi-6 na po. And we're on the way to Ilig-iligan Beach. Ano ni? Taas! Grabe! So, kami na lang po tatlo. Nauna na si ate. Kasi sila Bugi ay pagord na. Grabe, ang taas ng kinoconstruct.
Mag-building yan.
Guys, check out my tripod. Ganito lang siya. But it's so useful. Lalo sa mga tulad ko na walang nagpipit. So ganda! Wow! Look at that! That looks like a hedgehog.
Take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do.
Kukunin na ni Lord. we started at Cadban, stayed at the Long Beach, had water activities in Bolabog, then went to Diniwid for one night stay, and then we went to Tuka. It's Puka, it's Puka. It's Puka. And then Ilig-iligan for our last night.
Bukan mas Mateo.
Bulabog.
Alin mo na mas Mateo.
Banana boat.
Sa Bulabog.
Hindi ako pang naikot. Thank you.